Hey guys, today we are going to film a reaction to different sounds. How exciting. He's excited for some reason. He thinks he's getting a treat, but he's not. Alright, let's see. First one. What are you doing? Sit down. Okay, Butter, wait. Go see, who's here? Go see. Go see. Go see. Go see. Who's that? Who's here? Buster! Buster! What are you doing? Aw, okay. What are you doing? I know. Here, go lay down. What are you doing? Ow! Why are you biting me? No. It's okay. Your reactions are hilarious. Well, I didn't play any music yet, or whatever. I didn't play anything. Aw, you're alright. It's done now. What? You don't like it? I know, I'm sorry. No, oh, yeah. I understand. I understand. I understand. I hope you understand, too. You're so cute. You're a good boy, good reaction. So far, we got one more thing to react to, okay? You are too cute. Hello. Ooh, that was a good reaction. Good boy. It's okay. Hold on. Okay. Good boy. Okay, that's enough. Come on. That's enough reaction. Come here. Grab your toy. Here, I'll grab it for you. Here you go. Whoop. Nope, you don't need my phone though. Good boy. Well, that's a good reaction from him, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this guy is still sleeping, and his reaction is, I don't care about noise. I'm just going to sleep. Good reaction, Buster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more reactions, let me know in the comments below. Goodbye. Aw, give it a like and subscribe if you're not. Hug your pets and have a wonderful day, everyone. Share, because sharing is caring. And, yeah, like, hit that bell if you're not so you know more videos are coming. Oh, yeah, he's tired out from all the reactions. It's okay. There. Good job. Good job. Alright, guys. No reaction from him at all. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye. Say bye. Oh, he's so cute.